Hi everyone, long time no recipe, don't mind me, but I'm here today. I'm actually about to start making dinner and I said why don't I record it to show you one of the ways I cook rice. Remember the video I said where I told you increase your fiber, add protein, add veggies. This is a simple way where I inculcate everything into a single rice meal. So let me show you the ingredients. These are my aromatics. They will be roughly blended. This is oregano, this is garlic, onions, yellow and red chili. These are the spices I'll be using. My herbs and spice sea salt, white pepper, and dried parsley. I also have 1 kg of minced meat here. You can use minced chicken or any mince you have. And of course, our oil. I'm using soya oil for this. You can use groundnut oil or sesame seed oil or olive oil, whichever one you have. And for the veggies, I have a little scent leaf, ugu, and cabbage. You can use any veggies you have. Part of the ingredients, green peas, and of course the rice. This has been thoroughly washed. So let's get started. We are just going to break our minced meat a bit. I don't want it really mincy. And yes, for this you can actually use diced meat, sliced meat, or chicken, or even fish. But if you are going to use fish, you will fry it, then pack it aside, then before you now continue the cooking, because fish will get too soft. But meat and chicken, yes, any type of meat, any type of okay, chicken is only one, not any type. Time to add the spices, sea salt, white pepper. You can also use black pepper. Parsley, you can use thyme. This is the minced garlic, onion, chili, and oregano. If you don't have oregano, you can use efirin, you can use green bell pepper, you can use spring onions, you can use curry leaves. Basically, any kind of aromatic leaves you have available, anyone. Time to add the rice. Remember, washed. I'm going to add more salt now. You know, the other time I just added a tablespoon of salt. I'm cooking 3 cups of rice, so I would need more than that. That's why I added more salt. That has stir fried. Now let me add the water. I'll be adding very hot water. Cover and let cook. We can see that the water is no more on top. I'm now going to add the veggies. Cabbage. Ugu. And efinrin. So this will just steam inside the rice. Our rice is ready. Let me stir it. You need to smell the aroma right now. This is absolutely delicious. And yes, I know many Nigerians believe until rice is red before it can be sweet. If you like, feel free to add your tomatoes and peppers to this when you're cooking it. But I just love it like this. It's like a green version of fried rice.